Hey there, fellow science enthusiasts and candy lovers. I'm here to take you on a sweet adventure through the fascinating world of homemade candy chemistry. So grab your aprons and let's dive into the science that makes candy not just delicious, but downright magical. First up, let's talk sugar crystallization. Have you ever wondered why some candies are smooth and creamy, while others are crunchy? Well, it all boils down to crystals. Yes, you heard that right, crystals. When you heat sugar and water, you create a supersaturated solution. As this solution cools, sugar molecules start to crystallize. The size of these crystals determines the texture of your candy. For smooth candies like fudge, we want very fine crystals, which means we need to control the cooling process very carefully. Stirring often can help achieve this fine texture. On the other hand, for crunchy candies like rock candy, larger crystals are the goal, which we can get by letting the solution cool slowly without stirring. It's a delicate balance, but oh so important. Next, let's heat things up a bit with temperature control. Candy making is not just an art, it's a precise science. Each stage of the candy making process corresponds to a specific temperature range. For example, at the soft ball stage, around 235 to 245 degrees Fahrenheit, you get the perfect texture for making soft candies like caramel. Go higher, and you reach the hard crack stage, which is perfect for brittles and hard candies. Ever wondered why candy thermometers are so crucial? They help us maintain the exact temperature needed for each type of candy. Even a few degrees off can turn your perfect batch of toffees into a crunchy, sticky mess. Lastly, let's stir in a bit of fun by experimenting with flavors and colors. The beauty of homemade candy is the freedom to customize. Want to add a zesty twist? Throw in some lemon zest or a splash of orange extract. Fancy a bit of a spicy kick? A pinch of cinnamon or chili could do wonders. And colors from vibrant red to deep blue can transform your candy into a feast for the eyes as well as the taste buds. There you have it, science and sweetness combined in the delightful world of candy making. Who knew chemistry could be so tasty? Thanks for joining me in this sugary experiment. And remember, science is not just about understanding the world around us, it's also about bringing a touch of magic into our kitchens. See you next time for more exciting adventures in science.